Age, hormones, genetics, environmental cause, or stress are just a few of the factors that might cause your hair growth to stop or slow down. Inadequate nutrition is still a significant contributor to hair loss or insufficient hair growth, though. You've surely heard that foods high in biotin help with hair development. What is this miracle nutrient, and how does it benefit your hair? Here are biotin-rich foods for hair growth. Number 1. Methi leaves. Fenugreek or methi seeds are commonly used as a natural home remedy for hair thinning, and other related conditions such as dandruff or a dry, itchy scalp. Beauty magazines and other popular media outlets tout them as the key to growing thick, shiny hair. Number 2. Coriander leaves. Applying coriander juice to your scalp promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss. It is a natural and necessary nutrient that promotes hair growth. Apply coriander juice to your scalp, and leave it on for an hour before washing it off with shampoo to strengthen and lengthen your hair. Number 3. Sesame seeds. Its high omega fatty acid content feeds the roots and promotes hair growth. It also moisturizes the scalp and increases blood circulation, revitalizing the hair follicles. Sesame seeds also have anti-aging properties that can nourish the hair, and possibly prevent or slow graying. Number 4. Onion. When you apply onion juice to the hair and scalp, it provides extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Onion sulfur may also help in the production of collagen. Collagen, in turn, promotes the growth of healthy skin cells and hair. Number 5. Cashew nuts. Cashew nuts are beneficial to your hair because they contain essential nutrients such as proteins, zinc, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients are critical for hair growth. When you eat cashews, your body begins to produce more keratin, an essential protein for healthy, strong hair. Number 6. Raw egg yolk. Topically applying egg yolk to your scalp can infuse vitamins into the root of your hair. As a result, the new hair will be stronger and less prone to breakage and shedding. When your hair stops falling out as much, it grows fuller. It may even appear to be growing faster. Number 7. Oyster mushroom. Mushrooms contain copper, which is beneficial to your hair because it helps in the absorption of iron from food. It helps in the production of melanin, a pigment that gives your hair color. Mushrooms are also high in iron. Copper and iron work together to promote healthy, strong hair. Number 8. Flaxseed. A good source of vitamin B, a group of nutrients that help with stronger and healthier hair growth. It also includes vitamin E, which is a powerhouse for hair regrowth, and provides necessary supplements that help reduce oxidative stress. The antioxidant present in flax seeds can also be found in nuts and plant-based oils. Number 9. Walnut as a biotin-rich foods for hair growth. A well-nourished scalp and hydrated hair will help to keep your hair luscious and thick, while the additional keratin and vitamin B7 will encourage more hair growth. This is exactly what the nutritional value of walnut provides to your hair. The antioxidants, as well as fatty acids present in your hair, help in stimulating inactive hair follicles, giving you a much fuller hair. Number 10. Curry leaves. This powerful ingredient contains vitamin C, vitamin B, proteins, and antioxidants, all of which help in cellular regeneration and promote healthy blood vessel circulation in the scalp. These properties promote hair growth and skin renewal while also improving scalp health. The ingredient, when applied topically, activates the hair follicles and promotes hair growth. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.